Yeah, today anyway, hello everybody, this is Lauren, and today we are going to harvest this replanted potato. This is the variety Aran Victory, and yeah, I think it's time because it's already dying and the temperature outside is already cooler. And yeah, let's start harvesting this thing. Let's see how many kilos or how many tubers do we have here. I like to do this here in the greenhouse. It's a little bit warm here, but I have a little bit privacy than outside. And I'm too shy talking with my camera. Maybe the neighbors think that I am crazy. So let's start open this thing. Oh, look at that, man! Look at that here. Oh, it's amazing. But there's a, I don't know, it's damaged. Maybe I can slice that later and look what is that in there. Oh, maybe it's too late to harvest this thing and somebody eats the potatoes. Let's see what we have got here, but not all are damaged. There are tubers that are good. Okay, I will continue. Oh, this is there's still one container there. Maybe that's the suspect of eating the potato. Okay. There. Can you see that thing there? That's my suspect. I don't know what is that. If that bad for the plants or just a compost worm or something else. There. Oh. It's a crazy thing here. Look at that. It looks like alien. Okay, let's continue. It's growing already. It's growing already. Maybe I will plant this one for winter. Let's see how it will goes. The form is so funny. Look at that. Okay, I was cut because of not enough storage. So look at that. It's amazing. So I will continue. There's again it's grow another potato there. Too long in a container. I should maybe harvest earlier. So So I will clean this up and I will get the other bucket. So I will get the other bucket or other container outside. So this is it now, and I will zoom out. The tomatoes here in the greenhouse are still hanging. They are not all ripe. They are also here. They are, I don't know if you can see it here. Here, yes, one ripe Oxheart and San Marzano. Here, yeah, let's continue harvesting. There. Anyway, that's the result of the first container. And let's see what we can get here in this container. There's a lot of for the drainage here. Aquaponic stones or ceramic stones. Let's open it. Can you see me? Can you see me? No, it's not really. And I will make it a little bit higher. That way maybe. So you can see me now. So guys, here's it. There. 1 point. Maybe I can put the thing here. Can't see it. No. Maybe like that. And a little bit here. So, but you can't see what I am. Oh, it's so there are also small potatoes in there. There. Maybe in this clump. Okay, there's also here in this clump, but they are more smaller. I was cut because of I was running out of memory, and here are pictures or photos from the third container, and this is the variety Nicola. I've also planted in this container beans. I've already harvested lots of beans from these plants. And here is the result of all 3 containers. And here is the first container. It's 1 kilo 70. Yeah. And of course the small one is also there. And here is the result of the second container. It's also Aron Victory. It has 309 grams. And here is the result of Nicola. It has 227 grams. So that's all, my fellow gardeners. That was the result of my replanted potato experiment. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any question or comment, please comment at Google Plus and YouTube. So guys, see you next time. Bye.